Hello friends, welcome back and welcome to the video on mounting of cucumber endosperm. Welcome back. In this video we will learn about mounting of endosperm. Endosperm is a nutritive portion which actually nourishes the developing embryo. We take the example of cucumber. This is the endosperm, the cellular portion of the endosperm, the embryo, the long tail of the endosperm. So we will mount the embryo and endosperm of cucumber, Cucumis sativa. So this is cucumber, you all know very well. Now if you cut open the cucumber, you get the seeds, these are the seeds. Now the first step is selecting the right kind of a seed. So I have isolated some seeds, taken out some seeds and kept here. You can see here, this is a seed which is very old, so you cannot use this because in this you may not get the endosperm properly. So I have kept, these are younger seeds. You can take the younger seeds of this size, alright, and size is not the only criteria. So when you take the seed and then squeeze it between your between your fingers and see, they should be thick enough so that there is some material inside, there is endosperm inside. Sometimes what happens, because of these hybrid cucumbers, so the seed is not having any endosperm or embryo inside at all. How can you make out? When the seed is flat, when the seed is dub flat, okay, so then it will not have anything inside at all. It should be swollen. The seed should be swollen. Only when the seed is swollen, then you can say that it is having embryo. Two criteria: one, the seed should be swollen; two, it should be small enough. One second. There are two ends of a seed. This is the terminal end, this is the blunt end. So you must cut on the bottom. So the cut has to be done on this micropylar end. Now how do you do the cutting? Keep the seed on a glass slide. Okay. And then take a blade. You must take a new blade. You must take a new blade, good quality new blade you must take. And then you must cut the tip as I explained on the board. So cut the tip first and cut the sides. So I am cutting the tip and also sides. So only edges I am cutting. See, I am not cutting the entire thing. I am only cutting the edges. I have cut the tip, I have cut the two edges, and I must put a drop of water. Okay, and then I must gently needle. Can I have a needle? No. Yeah. Is there? Okay, so this is cut seed. I must press the seed from the opposite side, from the blunt side. If I keep on pressing, okay, some colorless jelly substance will come out from the cut end. It's like a surgery. You must do it carefully. Alright, so you start squeezing the seed from the blunt end towards the cut end. As I said, the seed is slightly slippery, but you must do it slowly. The seed is slippery. Just press it from this side to this side. And if we keep on pressing like this, from the cut end, some slimy structure comes out. Okay, which is colorless. You can't make out. Can you see? You focus this. This is the slimy portion. Okay, this could be the endosperm with embryo. This you can mount it and observe it under microscope. So this is the seed from which I have isolated the endosperm, and this I can observe it under microscope. Quick summary of endosperm mounting. This is the seed, and you have to make 3 cuts. First cut, second cut, third cut. After cutting, you must press the seed from blunt side towards the pointed side. The endosperm will come out, and this is the endosperm, the cellular portion of the endosperm, the embryo, the long tail of the endosperm. I thank Vishal for taking the videos. Thank you, Vishal.
Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with some other topic. Thank you very much.